kuća, posao, posao, kuća. Ko se seća ove pesme Ekrema Jevrića, koji u Americi shvatio da je došao svijet gdje se non stop radi. A izgleda da je situacija na Balkanu vrlo slična postala. Da li ste znali da ljudi na Balkanu rade duže nedeljno nego u Nemačkoj? U Nemačkoj rade približno 34 sata nedeljno, u Bosni čak do 41 sat. A ipak smo pitali ljudi u Berlinu kako izgleda njihov work-life balance.
We're still working too much. I work 8 hours, 5 days a week.
If you have a full-time job and you commit to the 40 hours, a lot of the times it does get tricky here due to long transportation.
For my parents, it's almost more work than life balance. I wish to not turn out that way.
I get home early compared to everyone else. At like 1 or 2, I have time to go shopping. I feel like I have a good balance.
In my country, we basically think about spending time with our families, friends, to balance our work life.
I feel like Albanians prioritize more the social life.
A kako izgleda tvoj work-life balance? Da li liči na kuća, posao, posao, kuća? Eto šta znam, ništa ne znam.